If your dry heating element shows a thermistor error with the first and fifth LEDs lit and the third LED flashing in a sequence of 5 blinks, here's how to reset it. Disconnect the heating element from the power supply. Reconnect the heating element to the power supply while pressing and holding the on-off button. Confirm that the second LED is flashing rapidly. This indicates that the device is ready for the reset procedure. Press the timer button 6 times. Watch as the on-off LED and LEDs 1 through 5 illuminate one after another, completing the reset sequence. Turn off the heating element by pressing the on-off button. Disconnect the heating element from the power supply again and then reconnect it. Power on the heating element to test its operation. Once switched on, the device resumes normal operation.